Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you something amazing. It's the BookBond pen, your titanium multi-tool bookmark companion, and it's the ultimate gadget for any book lover. Whether you're reading a novel, a textbook, a journal, or a comic book, this pen will keep you organized, prepared, and inspired. How? Well, let me tell you. This pen is not just a pen. It's also a bookmark, a ruler, a straight edge, a prime bar, and a box opener. It's made from grade 5 titanium, which is lightweight, durable, and corrosion resistant. It has a sleek and minimalist design that fits in your pocket or tucked inside your notebook. It has a magnetic cap that snaps on and off easily, and a refillable ink cartridge that lasts for years. It also has a hidden pocket for storing small items like cash, pills, or micro SD cards, and it has 2 slots for glow-in-the-dark tritium vials, which make it easy to find in the dark. But wait, there's more. This pen is not only a multi-tool, but also a bookmark. It has a clip that attaches to any page and a hole that lets you hang it on a string or a hook. It also has a smooth and flat surface that won't damage your books or papers. You can use it to mark your progress, take notes, draw sketches, or write messages. It's the perfect companion for your reading adventures. So where can you get this amazing pen? Well, right now you can back it on Kickstarter and get it for a special price. BookBond is a company that makes innovative and functional products for book lovers. They have a lot of experience in creating awesome gadgets, and they need your support to make this pen a reality. You can choose from different colors and sizes and get some awesome rewards as well. But hurry, because this campaign ends soon and you don't want to miss this opportunity.